Hi, I'm Adam. How to create and set up Tonkeeper wallet account for beginners. First of all, download Tonkeeper app from Google Play Store and open Tonkeeper app. And then select on Create New Wallet. To secure your wallet, it will ask you to create new passcode. Type in the passcode, re-enter your passcode for confirmation. And your Tonkeeper wallet has been successfully created. But wait, you have to make sure to back up your wallet. And in order to make your wallet secure and back up, you have to select the Backup the Wallet Recovery Phrase option on the bottom corner. And then it will show you a list of some words or phrases that you have to type in onto your notepad, or you can also take a screenshot. It's recommended to type all of these phrases on a paper with your pencil. And do not store these recovery phrases digitally on your phone. Once you have saved all of the recovery phrases on your diary, on your phone, or any other secure place, then you have successfully created Tonkeeper wallet account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.